It's raining. I don't like it. But there are some pretty things to see in the garden, even when it's raining. I'm really liking these roses. Never grown roses before. It came with the plot. This one is looking nice. There's some spotty leaves here and there. I've been trying to keep on track of getting rid of them. But this one's really pretty. It's got these very sunset colors, and then it kind of gets a little more gentle. They're very nice. Excuse the traffic. This one is also really interesting. It comes in with like a yellow, a very bright, vibrant, orange tinged yellow, and then as it opens, it starts to get more and more of it's like pink tinged white with a yellow undertone. So those have been very pretty, and they smell good. Yeah, I don't know. They smell like roses, you know. Looks like we've got a couple surprises. That could be, I think that's a dahlia. And this one also could be a dahlia. There's also something there that's coming up. And then that's a dahlia as well. So that's exciting. Still no blooms yet with the zinnias. That's looking kind of purpley. That would be cool. I don't know anything about zinnias, so this is all new to me. And then these grapes are looking good. There's a few, I thought I saw a few clusters. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, grape clusters. Well, got plenty of rain. Ugh. And then I planted this different kind of like decorative or ornamental oregano, and that's chamomile. This is the toothache plant. It's not really pretty, but it does have leaves and it does have these flowers, and when you eat them, they turn your mouth numb. So go figure.